If you're just getting started with us as an influencer, I just want to share a couple ideas with you so you could speed up your success and you could be on the right path for you to create the results you want with our company. Number one, as you get started with us, I want to encourage you to start with the business owner mindset. You know, of course, you could still be a customer. Yes, you could go out there and be part of an organization, but I want to encourage you to start your business with GPS as a business owner mindset. Business owner mindset simply means you take the responsibility of your activities and you take the responsibility of your results. You know, this is a business. This is, it takes work, it takes time, and you got to learn some of the information. You got to learn some of the trainings and master it for you to produce the results that you really want. You know, so start as a business owner, go through the training, not once, not twice, just like learning anything else. You can't learn an English language in one class. You can learn a sport or instrument in one class. Repetition is going to be mother of the skill. And so make sure that you're going out there and plugging into the system, learn the trainings, learn the business, and start treating it like a business owner where you show up every day to your GPS business. Can you imagine opening up a restaurant and only showing up once a month to open? You wouldn't do that. You would show up every day on time and enough time for you to go out there and be productive, to go out there and create your results and success in the business. Number two, I will highly recommend that you start with the long-term thinking. You know, I don't believe that anybody opens up a restaurant or a venture capital company or IT company or any type of a business. I don't believe anybody starts with a 30-day business plan. I believe the majority of the people that go in business, they usually have a 2-year or 5-year business plan on how they will turn it into a profitable, successful company. You know, majority of the giant mega companies' success stories that you and I hear about, they were not created overnight. You know, it took them a couple years. It took them a few years for them to have a reputable success story for them to actually present to the marketplace. So your business is going to be no different. Yes, there are occasionally sometimes some people having great success in first 90 days or 6 months of time, but those are rare cases, and I want to encourage you to have a minimum of 2 to 5 year business plan for you to go out there and say, hey, where do I see myself in the plan? I want to become an influencer 200K. I want to become influencer 50K. Maybe I want to become influencer 5,000, or maybe I want to be an influencer 500 and just earn additional $700 to $1,000 a month, additional income, residual income to help you and your family pay some extra bills that maybe you could build in business to earn every single month. You know, so whatever income level you desire, whatever success level you want to desire, we want to encourage you to start with a long-term business plan of 2 to 5 years and make sure that you commit to it, show up every day, learn it every day, and go out there and do what you have to do every day and take right actions every day for you to go out there and start building your business. Number three, I want to encourage you to be coachable. What does coachable mean? Being coachable. You know, the quickest way to master this is to learn from other people that have already done what you're going to do. Imagine someone wanting to become a golfer, someone wanting to become a basketball player, someone wanting to learn a new language, but they refuse to have a coach. They refuse to have a teacher. They refuse to follow the manual. That would be silly, right? Can you imagine trying to create and figure out your own multiplication or your own algebra? Probably the fastest way to learn is to learn from the textbook and the formulas that's been created before us by people who spend decades, if not a lifetime, by understanding and studying it to create the formula. Well, we have the formulas in place at GPS. We have the systems in place in GPS. What is the most effective way to go out there and get customers? What is the most effective way to maintain your customers? What is the most effective way to learn and master our products and go out there and share the opportunity with our influencers? We have all that in place. So you want to make sure that you plug into the training, be coachable, build great relationships with other leaders in the company, and I believe that you'll be on the right path for you to win with GPS. Last advice I want to give you is never give up. You know, I believe that so many people try things and they never finish, and because of it, that they've never been able to create the success that they wanted to create. Just think about it. If you went to the bookstore, or maybe if you went online and researched some of the most successful written books out there in the market, I could tell you that you're not going to find a common training from all the books saying that, hey, whatever you start, make sure you give up, because if you give up, you're going to succeed. You're never going to find that message. I could tell you that majority of success stories that you hear, majority of the books you read, majority of the training content you watch on VRLU or other platforms, I could tell you that will remind you over and over to never give up. I believe that literally it's the darkest before the sun comes up. I believe that you're the hungriest before you eat. I believe that right before the success is when the temptation of giving up kicks in the most. So make sure that if you ever feel like giving up, you're just that much closer to your success. So never give up on the journey of you winning, you succeeding, and you upgrading your life, and you making your life more successful and happy. So those of you that are just starting with us as an influencer, start on the right path, start with the right system, start under the right culture, and remember these 4 simple tips, and let's go out there and create the success you want to create with our company, GPS.